In today's video, we are going to learn about MCP, like what MCP is, how you can use inside Claude Code, and why and when you should use the MCP. So let's get started. The first question is, what is MCP is? So MCP is a model context protocol. In simple words, we use MCP to connect with all other tools we use every day. Yes, it is like a USB-C cable. By using the same USB cable, you can charge any phone in the entire world, and there's the same case with the MCP. By using MCP, you can connect any tool with any AI agent in this world. Yes, you can connect with a Google Drive or Notion, Jira, Slack, GitHub, your database, and all other tools you can think of. For example, if I go to the Cloud Code official docs, you can see there are a lot of apps are available for MCP to connect with the Cloud Code. I can connect with Canva, I can connect with Notion, I can connect with Figma, Slack, and a lot more tools which are available. And by using MCP, we can connect all of these tools to Cloud Code. Yes, we are going to use virtual MCP to host our project from Cloud Code directly. And that's the good thing with MCP, that once your tool is connected with Cloud Code using MCP, you don't even have to open your app. Everything can be done by Cloud Code using MCP server. So let me copy this particular command, and I will come to my terminal and paste this particular command and hit enter. After that, our MCP server will be added. And as you can see, in my case, virtual MCP is already there, so I don't have to reinstall it. But in your case, using this command, you can install virtual MCP. Now let me fire Cloud Code. And if you use /MCP, you can see all of your MCP server here. For example, I have two local MCPs, Playwright and Virtual, and there are few MCP servers like Gmail, Notion, which I already connected. And as you know, in today's example, we are going to use Virtual. And to use Virtual, you need to first authenticate. So I will hit enter and authenticate. I will say authenticate, and it will open a browser window for me to authenticate. As you can see, right now on my browser window, I will say allow. And now as you can see, authentication successfully. You can close this window and return to Cloud Code. Okay, I will return to Cloud Code. As you can see, authenticated successfully. Now if I do the MCP, you will see that my Virtual is connected. Okay, so now it's time to deploy our project. And as you can see, here is our project. And if you want to see what project do, so here is our project. It is like AI aggregator. We are building this entire project in this particular Cloud Code series. So if you want to know how we are here right now, you can go and check out our Cloud Code series. So this is a AI aggregator app where you can get response from all the AI models by just putting your API keys, so you can compare all of AI models here. A very simple but very effective app, and a lot of apps like this are making a lot of money, right? So today I am going to deploy it, and we'll give you a link in description, and you can put your API keys for like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, and start using this particular platform for free. And don't worry, we are not saving your API keys. Your API keys will be saved in your local storage inside the browser. So don't worry about that. So now I am going to ask Cloud Code to deploy this project to Virtual, and it will use this particular MCP and deploy it on Virtual without any interaction and manual process involved. We don't have to do anything. So I will say deploy this project. So as you can see, I am asking Cloud Code to deploy this project to Virtual, and let's see if it can do it or not. So as you can see, it is now asking us to give the permission, and as you can see, it is using the MCP server from the Virtual. And you can see deploy the current project to the Virtual, and I will say yes because I want to deploy it, and it is start deploying the project to Virtual. Okay, so as you can see, the deployment is successful, and it is saying your app is live at this particular URL. And as you can see, Claude figured out everything. Even if it has some issues during the deployment, it handle everything by itself, and at the end give me the deployment URL. So now the deployment headache is also covered by Cloud Code. So let's go and check out if on this particular URL our app is live or not. And as you can see, I opened this particular URL here, and our app is live here, and everything is working as we can think of. Here I will click on go to app, and then as you can see, you can fill out all your API keys, and here is the assurance that your API keys are secure and will be stored in localhost, and it will never share to server and never leave your device. You can put out all your API keys here, and then if you come here and ask anything, all these three models will respond to your question. How cool is that? You can go to this particular URL and can find out this app and can test all the things, and let me know how you feel. If you want some improvement, we can do it live here on YouTube. So comment it down. And to get future video updates, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.